I'm sick, so really quick, I would just like to say that a new Burzum album coming out in March or something. March, I don't know, sometime in mid-March. And it's gonna be called Fallen. And I don't know about you, but I'm kind of looking forward to it. Because he said it's gonna be more ambient and more like the old stuff, which is good because really the only two albums that I really like are the first two, so that's good. But I'm sick and I'm kind of annoyed. I'm also at work and it's almost 3 in the morning, and I think it's just about time for me to drink my Bolt House before I die. So, Bolt House and water is keeping me alive right now. So, yeah. And happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday! You know who you are. Alright, that's it, I'm done. Have a, enjoy the rest of your weekend. And go buy the album when it comes out.